Hi guys, I'm Carter and I'm going to be doing a 4th of July firework haul. I'm not going to be lighting them in this video since I'm inside and it's like 12, it's not nighttime. But yeah, so first we're going to do small fireworks. First we've got the hen laying eggs. Can't wait for that one. And then next, hen laying eggs again. Next, we've got this poop one. It doesn't have a description, does it? No, it says only used with adult supervision, so it does not have a description of what it does. So, hopefully it doesn't break the plastic and it goes everywhere. But, yeah, so, hold on, you guys cannot see that. Oh. Okay, there we go. And then next, did I say small fireworks right? We have these super snaps. They snap, I think, the ones that pop. Yes, they're the one that pop. Throw them and they pop. Shout out, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this name, but shout out to Black Cat Fireworks. I got all of these from you. Go to Black Cat Fireworks if you're 4th of July, anything. Yeah. I really don't know if these are little, but we have supercharged flashlight crackers. Let's see what they. You have to fuse. They look like. Oh, I can't take them out, but yeah. By the way, they're all from Black Cat Fireworks. Black Cat Fireworks. And then these are low in my opinion. I mean, these don't do much. They don't shoot up in the sky. But you cannot have a 4th of July without the sparklers. You can't. If you didn't do 4th of July as a kid, if you didn't do sparklers with 4th of July as a kid, you didn't have a childhood. Sorry, but it's just true. I've got a lot of sparklers. And then I got the ultra big pack of sparklers. Yeah. So moving on, bigger fireworks. Hold on, I just spilled this everywhere a long time ago when I was filming the preview or whatever. But then I need to use the restroom, so I couldn't film it. They gave us, I think these, I don't know what these are. Probably the light the fireworks. But they gave us that. More sparklers. Oh no, they came out of the bag. These are the sparklers. These are more sparklers. It's June 27th. So I went to like a store, not like a tent. I was gonna go to a tent, and I was gonna film that, but I had to go to. I wanted to go to a sip and shop like downtown of my city, and we went there. So it was pretty fun. So smallest to biggest. These are the next small fireworks. Smallish. They have glowworms, black snakes, and color snakes. Except for these. I did these last year. I did all of these last year. But there's some that I cannot wait to show y'all, for real. And then we have a handheld snow cone. Sparklers are handheld too. 2 of these. I can't wait for that one too. And then we have And then we have the little dynamite. This looks insane. They pop. 100 pieces of the loudest cracker in the market. We're gonna have a lit 4th of July, guys. I'm also gonna film, my church does the 4th of July, so I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna film the fireworks that I do too. This is one of the biggest things I have. I wasn't gonna do a big thing because we're also going to the lake. We're gonna take the sparklers to the lake. We celebrate 4th of July at the lake. But they don't allow fireworks, so we're gonna do some fireworks here. But we got missile-based 25 shots. We got these 25 shot missile-based things. I don't want them to like fall, so that's gonna fall. And then I also got this from, you guys, I got scammed there. They gave me like those little needle ice babies, but they were just like, they weren't squishies, they were like, just like those things that you get, like the, not squishies, but like the things that are rubberish. Okay, so these are the most expensive fireworks that I've got. I'm probably gonna go through them with you, but that's gonna take a long time. But yeah, this video is gonna be way longer than it is. So first we're gonna start with my sister. My sisters. Guys, for real, I am actually gonna crash out. I'm already crashing out. But we got this girl backpack with fireworks. I'm gonna go through that in a second. And this boy backpack fireworks. My sister did request that I go really quick with hers. So we basically had the same thing. I'm filming. We basically have the same thing, but I'm gonna go through them with y'all. So, and then I'm gonna put them all back. So, first thing we have in here, I don't know how they got this to fit, but they have the Magic Go Hip Whip. The Magic Whip, you guys, I cannot read at all. So these are the big ones. So we have the 6-piece color snakes. Snap and pop. Smoke grenade. Flashing signal. You guys, I live in like a small town, but I'm in a neighborhood. We have a neighborhood party too, but I don't know if I'm filming that. That's my dog. Ground bloom. Ground bloom flowers. Okay, we're getting to the big guys here. 21 shots, jumbo crackling grenade things. I'm really excited. Oh, it's just the thing back. Clay color smoke balls. If you know, you know. Large friendship fountain. Do it with your friends, guys. I wonder if they have a Roman candle in here. Oh, yeah, they make this. They have... Cannot say that name. It's like shower sparks. jade flowers. I think these are more crackling balls. I'm inside, guys. Large golden flower, bigger one than the other one. So I've not bought these before, but I am excited because they're like the big boys. Magnum Popper. Here we go. By the way, I am very grateful for this. Here we go. The ultimate big boy. Shoots flaming balls. Cloud Dragon. I will put that up in a minute. So now we're gonna go through the girl backpack. This looks smaller but bigger at the same time. So as we go on, I have some of the same stuff. But we got the magic whip. Where do I keep it? I'm gonna keep it separated. We have the magic whip, as I showed you. Crackling balls. Golden flower. Lipstick fountain. Brown bloom flowers. They have Chinese stuff in here, guys. That is dangerous. Clay color smoke balls. Champagne party. They have a couple of those. I just have to get it out of the way. This cone. They each have like one big thing per bag. She's a couple. Hindling eggs. Okay, guys, hold on. My sister's gonna come. Jade flower. Dancing butterflies. Poppers, large fountain, large friendship fountain. The other fountain that I can't say the name. My sister's 7, so I'll have to like happiness. Large golden fountain, large friendship fountain. 9 piece. They have the same thing that we have. Everything that was in my bag is in her bag. But we have a couple different stuff. She has 2 of them. Am I supposed to put this back in the bag? You know what? No. I'm not going to. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, make the bell and make it go ding. Share this video, like, and comment. Oh, and I have an announcement. I'm not saying I'm going to, but I might do a Roblox channel. I'll give you that channel name if I start that channel. It'll be a voiceover type thing. But bye guys, thank you for watching.